What is up, guys? I want to talk about video today. Video is very important for a business. Video is important because it will give you a competitive edge. A lot of times, some of your competitors, they will not be doing video.
Say what?
And video is a great way to explain things, to get your message across. Video is where digital marketing has headed. If you are not doing video, you're already behind the trend. So you can use video on many different platforms. You can make YouTube videos, and then you can post the links up onto your websites, or you can post them to your Kijiji ads. You can use video at an event and just basically record everything, record setting up. If you're running a service, record the service happening, and then download iMovie, chop it all up, and add some text to it, and add some royalty-free music, and you can make an ad, put that on Facebook, Instagram, and then you can boost it, and people will book you that way. There is many ways to utilize video. If you are not using video, you are not harnessing your full potential. Blog posts, blogs, or like mini blogs or something, you know, just videos constantly on your social media platforms will help familiarize your clients with you, and they'll become more comfortable and know your brand just a little bit better if you're always doing video stuff. Kind of like this YouTube channel. If you're my subscriber, you know me a little bit better and you trust what I'm saying because you've seen my videos before. Yeah, so I'm just jumping on about video. Here is a few of my videos right here. So I made that clip on iMovie. I basically went to a photo booth event and I walked around with my camera and took the clips home, and I chopped it up on iMovie and added a royalty-free beat to it, and that was it. The movie was made. I tried to keep each clip under 3 seconds, as whenever I watch other videos that are professionally done, usually the clips go very quickly. So if you try to count to 3 and you see anything, even on TV, that lasts longer than 3 seconds a clip, it's hard to find. So I keep that in mind. So that's a little tip that I want to give you, a pro tip, I guess. But so when you're editing videos, you might want to speed certain parts up and slow certain parts down just to get the acquired effect. Sometimes you need to keep people's attention. So if you're walking around with the camera, try to cut that part of the clip out, or speed that specific part up and then slow it down on the entertaining parts. And also do that to make it match the music. So when you get royalty-free music, sometimes it'll be like a 45-second clip. So it's like, okay, now I have to make my ad match the 45 seconds so that the music sounds good with it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Sub to the channel, like this video. I am gonna keep pumping out fresh content, and yeah, let's do this. Subscribe.